Let the coastal vibe welcome you home as you enter into this fully furnished turnkey home. Offering 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, a heated saltwater pool with western rear exposure overlooking a freshwater canal. Open and airy floor plan with vaulted ceilings, tile and laminate flooring throughout, fresh coastal colors welcome you home. The kitchen offers beautiful wood cabinetry, Corian counters and stainless steel appliances. Lots of counter space to work and entertain. Formal dining area as well as casual dining. Large spacious bedrooms, all with large walk-in closets. New in 2017, heated saltwater pool with large paver deck, offers plenty of room to relax in and out of the sun, as well as a paved patio outside of the lanai. Your backyard cement dock will connect you to the desirable freshwater canal chain that links with Lakes Shamrock, Saratoga, Kennedy, Lake Alhambra, and more, by canoe, kayak, paddleboard or boat. This has been a successful vacation rental property. New roof coming soon, new hot water heater 823, garage door 12. Sunsplash is nearby along with CC Hospital, medial offices, shopping and dining. Centrally located with easy access to Fort Myers and all points of Cape Coral.